Hi viewers. This is another video from the Robust Code channel. In this video, we will discuss implementing a spinner in an Android app. For this we need certain components. A spinner, a text view, and then a button. For the spinner, we need a layout and adapter. In the layout, we need a text view which actually shows the spinner items. This text view is to show the selected item in the spinner. And click, we will show the selected item in the spinner. Yes. This is our plan. We will start with a new project. We will use empty activity. We name the application Spin. As per our plan, we need a spinner layout. So, we will add a layout. Add a text view in the layout. The spinner layout is now fine. In the main activity, we need a spinner. And then, a button. Add a linear layout. Now the main activity layout is fine. Go to the main activity code. We should do two things. One is setting up the adapter. The second one is setting up the spinner. We need two members now. One for the spinner. And then, the adapter. We have to instantiate the adapter. Use the new spinner layout. The text view it is the id under the spinner layout. And then, we will add a few strings. At last, we have to set the drop-down resource. It is the spinner layout. Now, we will set up the spinner. Get the spinner instance. Set the adapter into the spinner. On the button click, we have to handle something. We need to get the select from the spinner. And then, we have to get the text from the adapter to show it in the text view. Finally, we have to set it in the text view. Press Alt plus Enter to import the class. Now the thing should work fine. We will try to run this. Spinner is showing up. Something wrong with the button. The caption is blank. Needs a correction. After selecting the spinner item, on button click, the selected item is being shown in the text view. This is it. This is a simple application with Spinner. Please like, share, and subscribe. Remember to tap the bell icon. Thank you all.